திருப்பாவை. சரிங்களா? அவர் போதித்தது உங்களுக்கு பிடித்திருந்தால் லைக் செய்யுங்கள். அடுத்த ஆசிரியர் உங்களுக்காக போதிக்க இதோ வந்துவிட்டார். அவர் ஆசிரியர் ஆர் கனகேஸ்வரி. அவர் எஸ்ஜேகேடி சிகாம்பூர் தமிழ் பள்ளியில் ஆசிரியராக பணிபுரிகிறார். அவர் உங்களுக்காக கணிதம் டிஎல்பி ஆங்கிலத்தில் போதிப்பார். சரிங்களா? அவர் மாணவர்களுக்கு பொதுவாக மாணவர்கள் 4, 5, 6 சரிங்களா ஆண்டு படிக்கும் மாணவர்களுக்கு அவர் கணித பாடத்தை தயார் செய்துள்ளார். வாங்க பார்ப்போமா? சரி வாங்க மாணவர்கள்.
Good day everyone. My name is Kanageshwari Ratnam. I'm a math teacher from SJKT Sagambur. Let's get into our lesson today. Okay, here we have some ancient instruments and modern instruments. Footstep, rope and span, arm length are ancient instruments, whereas ruler and measuring tape are modern instruments. Students, can you tell me what are the uses of these instruments? Yes, correct. These instruments are used to measure the length. Okay, can you tell me what are the units that you have learned in length? Okay, there are many metric units, but for our purpose we only learned 4. You have learned 4 from year 1 until year 4. Okay, the most smallest is millimeter, then centimeter, meter and kilometer. Kilometer are the largest unit. Okay, students, can you look around you and tell me what are the uses of length in your daily life? Without knowing, you are using length in every day in your daily life. Okay, teacher have some examples of lengths in our daily life. Okay, distance are the one of the examples. Distance from the home to school. You are traveling every day from home to school. So these are the first example. Then for Deepavali, when you go back to your party house, you can see these signboards on the roadside. So these are the another example of length in our daily life. Okay, secondly, clothing. Have you noticed when you go to malls, your parents bought you clothes? They are in comes with sizes. But actually, the sizes are representing your length, your measurement of body. For example, shoes the sizes are representing your length and width of your footstep. And secondly, for your dresses or shirts or pants, the sizes are representing your chest size, chest measurement, waist and hip measurements. Thirdly, we have sports. Here you can see running, a person running. Okay, can you recall back what are the running races that you usually run for sports day? Okay, we have few. So let me name it. We have 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter and 400 relay. And for the badminton court or tennis court, you must have the measurement correct so that all the courts are in same sizes. Last but not least, social distancing. On this pandemic time, during pandemic time, you must social distancing with your friends. Remain distance for 1 meter from your friend or your family members at malls or anywhere in public places. Okay, let's discuss about our family members' height. Okay, can you tell me what are the instruments you can use to measure their height? Yes, you can use a measuring tape. Okay, let's see what's the height of Khadir. Khadir is 160 cm and whereas Papu is 150 cm. Okay, now can you tell me what is the height difference between Khadir and Papu? What should we do? We need to subtract the height, which is length. Subtract, yes, very good, subtract. So 160 cm minus 150 cm. So the answer is 10 cm. So very good. Today our lesson is about subtraction of length. Okay, Kami Murid Cemerlang Mathematics. You must always remember Kami Murid Cemerlang Mathematics. In order to remember km, m, cm and mm. Km is representing kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Here let's recall back length conversion. To change kilometer to meter, you must times 1000. From meter to centimeter, you 100. Centimeter to millimeter, you must times with 10. Okay. To convert kilometer to meter, you must divide with 1000. And from meter to centimeter, you must divide with 100. And centimeter to millimeter, you must divide with 10. Okay. I hope you all remember the conversion. Okay. Let's look into our first example. Okay. First question: 4.52 kilometer minus 1.95 kilometer equals to what? The answer they want in kilometer. Okay. Let's write it in standard form. 4.52 kilometer minus 1.95 kilometer. First step, you must write down the km. Then we solve from the behind. 2 minus 5. You can't minus 2 from, you cannot minus 5 from 2. So you need to borrow from the beside. Okay, cut 5, write 4 and give to 2, you will become 12. 12 minus 5, you will get 7. Okay, 4 minus 9, you can't do that. So you must borrow from 4. Okay, cut 4, write 3, it becomes 14. 14 minus 9, you get 5. Always remember the point must be in vertical form. So straight away write the dot. 3 minus 1, you get 2. So your answer is 2.57 kilometer. Okay, let's look into second question. 27.9 meter minus 13 meter equals to, they want the answer in meter. Okay, write it in vertical form. First step, you must write the m. Then 9 minus 0, you will get 9. Then straight away write the dot. 7 minus 3, you get 4. 2 minus 1, you get 1. So your answer is 14.9 meter. Example 3, question number 3. 758 centimeter minus 3.26 meter. They want the answer in meter. Okay, first of all, you need to circle the centimeter because it's not what they want. So you need to change it to meter. Okay, circle the centimeter and you need to change it, convert to meter. Do you still remember centimeter to meter? What should you do? You must divide. Yes, 758 divide 100. Okay, then write down 758 meter. Then put a dot on the behind and move forward to 2 places to the front. Okay, so your answer will be 7.58 meter. Okay, now you get all the units in meter. Then only you can solve it in standard form. Okay, write down 7.58 meter minus 3.26 meter. Okay, first step, you must write down m. Then 8 minus 6, you get 2. 5 minus 2, you get 3. Then straight away copy down the point. 7 minus 3, you get 4. So your answer is 4.32 meter. Let's look into question number 4. Example 4. 38.18 kilometer minus 2013 meter minus 9.3 kilometer. They want the answer is in kilometer. So first of all, you need to circle the meter and convert this into kilometer. Okay, to convert, you must remember meter to kilometer. What should you do? Yes, very good. You must times divided. Okay. To convert meter to kilometer, you must divide with 1000. Okay, 2013 divide 1000. Okay, put 1 dot at the behind and move 3 places forward and put the dot again. So your answer will be 2.013 kilometer. Okay, so you convert the unit to kilometer, then you write in standard form. Okay, the places they empty here, you can put 0 so that you don't confuse. Okay, then first step, write down km. You cannot minus 3 from 0, so you need to borrow from the beside. Cut 8 and write 7, and here will become 10. Okay, 10 minus 3, you will get 7. Okay, 7 minus 1, you get 6. 3 you cannot minus with 1, so you need to borrow from 8, it becomes 7. Then here it comes 11. 11 minus 3, you get 8. Okay, then straight away write the dot. 7 cannot minus with 9, so you need to borrow from 3. Okay, after you borrow, you become 17. 17 minus 11, you will be getting 6. And lastly, 2. So your answer will be 26.867 kilometer. Last but not least example, 4.95 meter minus 3.7 meter minus 1.2 meter equals to cm. Okay, this question is asking in cm. So what can you do? You solve it first in meter unit. Then after you get the answer, you can convert it to centimeter. Okay, first of all, write down the meter. Okay, 5 minus 0, you get 5. 9 minus 7 and 2, you get 0. Write down the dot. Okay, 4 minus 3 and 1, you get 0. So your answer is 0.05 meter. Okay, now the question asking in centimeters, so you need to convert it to centimeter. 0.05 meter to centimeter, what operation you should do? Yes, very good. You must times with 100. So write down the 0.05. Okay, move the dot to behind 2 places so that your answer will be 5 centimeter. So your last answer is 5 centimeter. Okay, question number 4. Picture shows a map from Hanit house to shop and school. The whole journey for Hanit to go school through the shop is 3.6 km. Find the difference in journey from Hanit house to shop and from shop to school. Okay, I give you 30 seconds to solve it. After that you can answer. You can choose either B, C or A, B or C. Okay, let's go with answer C. Wrong answer. Okay, let's go with B. Yes, correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now that we finished with all examples, let's play a game. The game name is Open the Mystery Box. Okay, here we have 5 boxes. Okay, what number you want to open first? Okay, let's go for number 4. Okay, now which question you want to do next? Question number, okay, let's go for 1. Okay, question 1. 40 centimeter minus 0.2 meter. What is the answer? Okay, what do you want to answer? A, B or C? Okay, let's go for B. Wrong answer. Okay, next. Wanna try with A? Yes, very good. The answer is A. Okay, let's go back to the home. Okay, now let's try with question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. 85.06 meter minus unknown equals to 43.7 meter. Okay, what do you want to answer? A, B or C? Okay, let's go with A. Yes, very good. The answer is correct. Okay, let's go back to the home. Okay, let's move on with question number 3. Okay, question 3. 70.25 centimeter minus 5.31 centimeter minus 480 millimeter. The question requires in centimeter, so that you must change the millimeter to centimeter. Okay, can you recall back? What should you do to change millimeter to centimeter? Yes, correct. You need to divide with 10. Okay, what do you want to answer? Which answer you want to choose? A, B or C? Okay, let's go with C. Wrong answer. Okay, let's go with B. Yes, the correct answer is B. Okay, let's go back. Okay, last question. Question number 5. Find the difference between 339 km, 12.18 km and 900 meter. State the answer in kilometer. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer. Okay, calculate the answer. Okay, do you want to choose A, B or C? Okay, let's go with C. Wrong answer. Okay, let's go with A. Wrong answer too. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, very good. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy and understand our lesson today on subtraction of length. See you next time. Bye bye.
சரி மாணவர்களே, ஆசிரியர் திரு ஆர் கனகேஸ்வரி எப்படி போதித்தார்? உங்களுக்கு பிடித்திருந்தா? சரி, பிடித்திருந்தால் தயவு செய்து லைக் பட்டனை கிளிக் செய்யுங்கள். சரிங்களா? நிச்சயமா உங்களை போதித்தது உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும் என்று நம்புகிறேன். அவருக்கு நமது நன்றி. அடுத்த ஆசிரியர் உங்களுக்காக போதிக்க தயாரா இருக்கிறார்.